Hello, folks. Welcome to our Heartfelt weekly review on the FX Triad. So let's take a look in case you missed out on either of our buyers for the last weekly analysis. So on DXY, don't forget we anticipated a bullish move on DXY, and we marked this area, right? If you remember, I marked this area. There's an FDG here, and market zoomed up to the upside, right? That was massive on DSY, and I told us we still have a long way to go because there's a liquidity here, all right, and the 50% on the 12-month time frame and also the 6-month time frame, right? 50% here, so we have a lot to go on DXY. Then on Euro USD, in case you missed out on Euro USD, you remember these areas I told us here that because in the last weekly analysis I said that this bullish here is also forming a CRT to the upside, but it might not hold. If you remember that, I said it might not. Check the last video to confirm that it might not hold because we are going what bearish, and the moment price takes the previous week high, boom, price dropped massively to the downside. So we still have liquidity. We have liquidity here, this low here, and we also have this area here. It's a liquidity here, and down to this low here. This is low, this low here. We still have a liquidity there. So let's see how it goes. Then on GBPUSD, you remember here, I told us that on GBPUSD that this area, if you remember, that we're going to have a draw. We have a liquidity here because it's an equal low. Look at this bullish candle and this last 2 weeks bullish candle, and we anticipate that price might take the high, right? But this CRT forming might not hold, so we are not targeting this high, right? But rather we are targeting this low, which is equal low, relative equal low. And you can see how price took out the previous week high, and boom, price dropped. And this area we marked, if you remember this area too, this liquidity here, and price wicked off that low and start retracing. All right, so we still have more. This low is still yet to be taken, so we're also having a relative equal low forming here. All right, then we also have this low to still target. So that is that on Euro USD, GBP USD, and DXY. So the question is, what next? What next? So let's meet any moment from now to anticipate the buyers for the new incoming trading week. Don't miss out on the next video as it promises to be insightful. So let's take a rest. I wish you all the best. Bye.